Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. This is Bijon here. Today I'm going to show you how to draw macaw in vector art format in Procreate. So let me create. I have already sketched and sketch I have like I did in layer 1. I'm going to use another layer and using the Baskerville brush, which I'm going to use like only one brush in whole painting because it's a vector art format. Either you can use it in like a studio paint as well, but this is the easy to use like this brush. So I will suggest you go for this brush. This brush is easy to draw in vector art format. So first I'm going to use the black color one. So make sure you have to you need to know these things before you start your painting, like from where you are your reference picture, like you need to know where which color where you have to make it. So I have already checked that black color where I have to put. So first I'm going to use the black color. So according to that, in one color I'm going to use in one layer, different color like I'm going to use in different layer. If suppose for example in this painting, if there is a 10 color of color combination over there, so I'm going to use 10 layer, like a 10 layer plus 1 for sketch. I'm going to disable that layer, so that's not a problem. So like how many colors are in this painting, I'm going to use that kind of layers. So first let me fill up the black one for layer 2. So where I know where I have to fill up the black color, according to that I'm going to fill up it because I have sketch according to that. So let me fill up the black color one first. Fill up the black color. I'm going to create another layer. I'm going to use this light color. So for macaw painting, you need to know the color should be used in light color. So try to use little bit lighter. So I'm going to use this light blue color. Make sure you have to use the different layer. So you need to use like that. So I'm going to use a different layer and just to make it these things first. And make sure when you are trying to draw in vector art format and you have to draw anything, like either it's portrait or any objects or any birds, you need to understand 2 to 3 things. Like you have to do it in different layer. As I told you before, you have to do the same thing in different layer. Also you need to start the a dark color first. If there is a shadow of color like a black, little bit lighter black like this one, so you have to use first, for me you need to use the deepest color. I'm talking about the darkest color first, then you have to draw accordingly, like a dark, a little bit light, that what color it is, it doesn't matter, but try to use the dark color first. That will great, and that will easy to use, easy to handle, to draw. So today I'm going to I'm using Procreate as usual, and I'm using iPad Air for that. So for me, if you go with the Procreate application, there is lots of facilities, like you can use, there is no extra brush which is come with the free in this application. I'm only using this brush, so you can use it easily, and yeah, I hope you can check how I'm going to use it. And this is easy to draw. If you are suppose for example, if you are going to use a studio open, so you have to do it like this way, like how you use pencil in paper. So for this brush Baskerville, you can just movement after the drawing, like above the drawing, you can do it like that way, and you have to just drag the color like this. So I know where I have to put this blue color, so I have to put the same places that blue color. I have to just make it the blue color all of the places where I have to, because I have check the reference picture, and I'm going to do the same places that color. So let me do these things, and just you have to just the outline you have to do it. For example, I'm going to do the blue color, so I'm going to see, I'm going to just draw the outline first, because it's a different color, so it's not going to mix with the black. So don't worry about that. I'm going to be, black is a darker color. I have completed the black color and the layer 2, and second layer underneath that black color, I'm using this color, blue color, so it's not going to be mix up. And I have just going to outline first and drag the color, so it will complete, so it's not going to be mixed with the black color. So you can do it this way. So I hope you can check the blue color I have made. I have to do one or two places lower portion, this blue color. Then I'm going to use another color as well. So first I'm going to fill up this one, and according to this, like a blue color, whatever color I'm going to use it, step by step I'm going to use the same way, and in a different layer. So I'm going to use the blue color, then I'm going to use the yellow, red, green, or else orange color. All the colors I'm going to use it, whatever color I'm using, step by step. First, it's a must, you have to draw properly, and on your drawing, you need to know where you have to place and which color you have to place. So make sure your drawing to be proper. So drawing, because I haven't showed the drawing here, because otherwise the video will little bit longer. So if you're an artist, you know how to draw anything, so just it's a rough sketch, don't worry about the drawing, because you have to just fill up the outline and just drag the color. So make sure you have to, when you draw anything, for example, I already told yesterday my live video, that how you can just draw any rough figure, and you have to make that things in vector art format. So either it's a portrait or either it's any object, you can do it roughly sketch and make it through vector art format. But it's only for vector art format, not for any landscape or any realistic type painting. If you are going to do the realistic type painting, you don't need to draw or sketch anything, you can directly do it through the a color. So that's a different things, that's a different story. I hope you can check in my painting. I have mentioned how many colors, 1 2 3 4 5 or 6 color I have used. Black color, which I already used first one, then step by step I used this kind of color. So it's look nice now. It's not realistic type, but in vector art format it will look like this, and it will look amazing. Either you can draw any portrait in this format, so there is no problem with it. And this format, it's the painting looks amazing. I hope you can check the birds, the macaw, it's how it's look totally insane, and it's look good for me. And you can check, you can draw according to the color which I used. You can either use this color, or if you are going to use for example, if you are going to use where I use the orange color, if you want to use the lighter green color, you can use it if it's look good. Where I used a blue color, you can use a red as well, because macaw there is a different color but so there is lots of color which macaw you known for it, so you can use accordingly, but don't use any color which macaw don't exist. So you have to draw like that way. So let me do these things. Like it's a complete, like I have to, the painting is complete. You can do these things easily anywhere. You can do it. If you are an artist, then you need to just need to know like how to draw. That's it. If you don't know how to draw, there is a one trick which you can make it as well, but that's a different things. But I would suggest you go and draw first. If you draw anything, you can just do it. Otherwise, if you're not an artist, you can do one thing. You can try to draw something little, like any objects, for example like a cup or any cartoon faces. Try to draw and do it. So grab your iPad, do it like that way, and share your artwork with me in my mention my channel name in your comment section, or mention my channel name on your video. I would like to see your artwork. Okay, so I have just need to fill up. I am going to use these things for for tree branch. I generally use studio pen for inking. I'm going to use few of because it's not realistic, so I'm going to just draw like that way. It's almost complete, because I'm just going to complete this tree branch and I have to do the background. That's it. It's not heavy things I'm going to do. So this is easiest way to draw. Anyone can do it, either it's beginner. For beginners, I would suggest you go for this kind of painting. If you how many paintings you do, according to that, your practice is everything. You have to keep patience and learn every day, and you have to check it. If you have any problem, do let me know in the comment section that how you can draw, because the sketch I told you, as I told you, sketch is very important. You need to sketch it properly, and how you are going to place the color, how you are going to, which brush you can use for this kind of vector art. So as I told you my previous video, that only vector art format, either you can use it in studio pen, you can use it, or else you can use Baskerville brush. So for me, Baskerville brush is the easy to draw anything in vector art format. I told you several times, I'm telling you one more time. But as I told you, I'm complete with this painting. I'm just going to do the background with the airbrushing. I have already completed the color. I'm just going to little bit shadow the back side of macaw, and I'm almost done. Or not almost, it's already done painting, because it's not heavy painting. It's easy to draw. I'm doing it for beginners who is trying to learn something in Procreate, who is trying to learn digital art. So those people can do it. If you are a pro artist, go and visit my channel. There is lots of painting videos for pro artists who can make it either it's a realistic sketch, realistic landscape. There is lots of videos which I already uploaded, so you can check those videos as well. So those are time taking videos. You can check it properly step by step. So I'm going to just blur it, and I have already completed the drawing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would like to see your artwork. I already told you. Please share with me, and do let me know in the comment section what I have to draw in my next video, what I can draw for you guys. So do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for now, and as I told you, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.